Good day. I am Kenji Karyose, and this is the BBS Journal. For the top stories, Indonesia Calligraphy and Painting Institute awards 19 students calligraphers. Bina Bangsa School, Kebon, Jeruk hosts 2019 Student Global Leaders Conference. Chinese Food Festival colors Chinese New Year celebration. Indonesian Calligraphy and Painting Institute awards 19 students calligraphy. Here's our correspondent, Michelle Geraldine, for the story.
BBS student joined this year's Chinese calligraphy contest. This contest is sponsored by the Indonesian Calligraphy and Painting Institute. 19 students from Bina Bangsa Kebon Jeruk bags top awards. Calligraphy is part of the Chinese language program, which allows students to embrace their cultural heritage. This is Michelle reporting for BBS Journal. Back to studio.
Thank you, Michelle. Bina Bangsa School Kebon Jeruk hosts 2019 Students Global Leaders Conference. Here's Sacha Ravikara for the story.
Genuine drama, it may not be truthful. So you must have the genuine idea that you want to come, right? Can that be developed? Maybe right now you are thinking only about grades. Just to get my.
I decided I wanted to register as vice head prefect, and honestly, I was getting ready for my vice head prefect interview. It was only then that I discovered that I was being a hypocrite.
Creating a culture of servant leaders is this year's Student Global Leadership Conference. Student leaders from BBS Malang, Semarang, Balikpapan, Bandung, Kebon Jeruk, and Pantai de Kapuk gathers for a 2-day conference to instill servanthood. The said conference is part of Bina Bangsa's educational framework of producing not only academically excellent students, but each must also be an individual with character. This conference for the student leaders is to mobilize leaders to lead students with a servant heart as they lead students in their own campuses. This is Sacha reporting for BBS Journal. Back to studio.
Thank you, Sacha. Chinese Food Festival colors Chinese New Year celebration. Here is Stella Kang for the story.
A New Year celebration is never complete without food. This year, BBS Kebon Jeruk welcomes the new year with the cooking battle. These young chefs from Secondary 1 to JC2 are tasked to prepare the best chicken dish that would be the star of the occasion. The cooking battle is just only one of the many activities that the Chinese department prepares for this year's celebration. This is Stella Kang reporting for BBS Journal. Back to the studio.
Thank you, Stella. And these are our stories for today. I'm Kenji Karyose, and this is BBS Journal.